Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Ali Shamo here. Yes, I'm having fun outdoors today. Weather suddenly turned good after a long time. I had fun flying a Beast SG-906 from SJLRC, which is being promoted these days as a 4K camera. Don't forget to watch that video, my honest review on that quadcopter. I was having fun with Fun Sky 913 5G Wi-Fi GPS quadcopter, and honestly speaking, that quadcopter I really love and highly recommend it. And now before going home, I thought, hey, while I have this plane in my car, I don't want to miss out flying and having fun on this world best DHC-2 Beaver RC plane ever. Once again, no doubt this is world's best DHC-2 Beaver RC plane ever, but XK, you are losing. You are actually missing on the quality control on this plane these days. See, I see that the fuselage is parting from here, these two pieces, okay? The rudder and elevator, this foam is really fragile and very easy to break. Once it breaks, all you can do is, use tapes. But it does work, basically, to actually repair it. It does repair very easily. Okay. So here we are. Aha, man. This thing is definitely an absolute joy to fly. I can tell you that. Definitely an absolute joy to fly. Okay, almost lost it there, almost high speed hit in the wall. Could have been a very good crash video. Saved it. It did get up, pretty nice. Uh-oh, are we in 3D mode? Yeah, look like we are in 3D mode now. Now we don't want that. I want to have fun flying it around without crashing it. Okay, this is what I wanted. A lot of rudder and a lot of surface movement, that is dual rates, high dual rates. You know what? When it's in 6G stabilization mode, as soon as it detects throttle, it actually sticks the elevator slightly up. And when the throttle goes down, you see elevator goes straight and plane goes nose down. So basically with that slightly elevator up, it actually gives beginners a lot of leverage to fly. Okay, I lost it there, almost stalled it, but the 6G mode kicked in real nice. Once you pull on the throttle, 6G will kick in real nice. So now I'm coming into the winds and I can actually fly it as slow as possible. If you're stalled, on this plane, all you need to do is just kick in the throttle. Man, I mean, you can have an absolute fun flying it around. This definitely has one of the best flight performance in this category. Yeah, I was going to land it in my car actually. Okay, now I did break something. Come here, baby, come here. Let me take a look at you. You are my best baby here. Okay, rudder is fine. Oh, I just took the nose off, the nose cone for the propeller, and there's a hit here on the foam. Apart from that, well, one moment, let me fix this one. Landing gear, let me just fix it, one moment. Okay, All right, all done. We are still good. Hold on. Propeller is still okay. Slight vibration, but it's still okay. Nothing to worry about. It's still flying. Sweet. All right, now the high dual rates are off, and I'm in absolute 6G stabilized performance mode, and that's where I can actually have fun with it. You know, this is one plane I actually don't want to break. Every time I go out, I will actually bring this plane in my car, because it does not take much space, and you know, gives you a lot of pleasure flying it. The pure manual flight pleasure with the assisted, absolutely outstanding 6G stabilization. You know, sometimes I'm really bored to actually, you know, flying the quadcopters, sine whoops, brushless whoops, FPV whoops. Sometimes I just need my personal time flying a little RC airplane around. And DHC-2 Beaver from XK, this plane gives me that absolute personal RC plane fun flying time. Look at it, I can actually have fun. You know what, I do have an FPV system to review that's a tiny FPV system with Runcam Micro Eagle camera and Runcam TX200 micro video transmitter. I'm thinking to install that on this plane and, you know, have some FPV fun. I mean, this can be real fun flying FPV, right? Especially if I can put the camera somewhere in the cockpit. That will give a very nice feel, actually. All right, time to land, time to go home. My foot is really swollen, I'm sure, and I need to give my foot a rest. So, how do I land it? Near me. I don't want to walk. I can't walk. Okay, how do I bring it back? Just like this? Yeah, nice and slow. Sweet plane, man. Sweet plane.